So welcome to Bob Fix number who the heck knows. Anyway, this is a 3B300A gear pack out of one of the tools I repair. They are well known for trashing idler bearings in the second stage, which then trashes the case or the carrier, and then trashes the pinion on the first stage. And it's about $3,000 to replace everything you see here on my desk right here. So my fix was to take an R18 bearing, machine the second stage to fit the bearing, to add an upper bearing for support, and then machining a spacer which is pressed into the first stage ring gear and sits on top just like this. Just like that. Drop the first stage back in, and that's how she stacks up. Now it's captured, can't lean off to the side. Should help take care of the side loading issues now that this second stage is captured top and bottom. And we've got one in practice right now, and this is my fourth one I've built this week. 4 more tools. We're doing some long-term testing. We'll see how this works out.